today's video, we're going to explore the video game industry. For game developers and inspired game developers, we're going to be talking about 5 ways to stay motivated in game development. As a game developer, it's easy to get discouraged and lose motivation, especially when you're facing challenges or setbacks. But it's important to stay motivated and stay on track if you want to succeed in this industry. So, let's get started. Number 1. Set realistic goals. The first way to stay motivated in game development is to set realistic goals. Make sure your goals are attainable, and break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. This way, you can see progress and feel a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step. Plus, setting goals will give you a clear direction and help you stay focused. Number 2. Surround yourself with like-minded people. Even though game development can be done alone, the second way to stay motivated is to surround yourself with like-minded people. Find a community of game developers, whether it's online or in person, and connect with others who share your passion. You can share ideas, give and receive feedback, and find inspiration from others in the same field. Number 3. Take breaks and try new things. The third way to stay motivated is to take breaks and try new things. Game development can be intense and time-consuming, so it's important to step away and recharge your batteries. Try a new hobby, learn a new skill, or take a trip to get a fresh perspective. This will help you come back to your project with renewed energy and inspiration. Number 4. Celebrate your successes. The fourth way to stay motivated is to celebrate your successes. No matter how small they may seem, it's important to acknowledge and reward yourself for the progress you've made. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and encourage you to keep pushing forward. Number 5. Keep learning. Finally, the fifth way to stay motivated in game development is to keep learning. Stay up to date with the latest trends, technologies, and techniques in the industry. Attend conferences, read books, and watch tutorials to expand your knowledge and improve your skills. And there you have it, the top 5 ways to stay motivated in game development. Remember, success in this industry takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.